If your Kia Sportage 2015-2021 shows the check BSD warning, it means that the blind spot detection system is not working well. And the blind spot detection system relies on two sensors, radars, let's say, that are located in the corners of the rear bumper. And there are two cases. First of all, the problem may be connected with the filthy bumper. So if it's covered with mud, if it's covered with snow or ice or whatever, it's absolutely okay. You just clean your bumper, or you just wait till it's cleaner and the system will automatically work again. But the problem may actually be with these radars, and it means that you will need to replace these radars, or at least to calibrate them, because sometimes the problem is not with the radars but with the mounts, with the metal mounts of these radars, and they just misalign a little bit and they will need recalibration, maybe new brackets that hold them. The problem is not that common in Kia vehicles, so I will not delve deep into this problem. But anyway, if you see the check BSD and your bumper is absolutely clean, it's most likely the problem is with the radars, and they will need to be checked in a dealership or in a good repair shop with a scanner first of all. And then there also may be the problem with the voltage, because if the voltage is low in your vehicle, it means that the systems will not be working absolutely correctly. If you have a low battery, low 12-volt battery, when you are starting your car, the voltage in the vehicle will drop a little bit, drop lower than 10 volts, and it's very bad for the electronics, for the electronic control modules in your car. So you may need to check the voltage in your battery. Maybe use a load tester to test this battery, and if the battery is bad, just replace it, and probably this BSD system will work fine after that. And you may also check if the alternator is giving proper voltage when it works, because sometimes the problem with the alternator and it just doesn't charge the battery, doesn't give the proper voltage to the system, and because of this you will have this BSD system warning message.